Oh, look at the Nanu. The Nanu is on the hunt. What is he hunting? He's hunting Jadang. As he approaches, the snake still has not moved. Now he will make the ultimate decision. He's starting to move, and he's gonna jump. When you grab hard. No. Come a little closer to me. Yeah, now let it go. You see it? Quite big. Okay. Very heavy. Everybody feel?
Mm.
Just let him pass through
Him or her?
Him or her.